Look at that. Look at that. It's gone. It's gone. She's a wizard.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from Nadula Hair. Be bold, be confident, be you. I'm super excited about this one. We are on tour with our pre-cut lace wigs. We thought it was ending, but you know what they said? They said, not today, sis, because we got color, okay? We got all the colors for your ass. And I'm coming on through with the unit. That is a 24-inch honey blonde baby, okay? She's really, really pretty. I'm going to give you some deets on the cat. Oh, I should have showed you the lace first. Let me show you the lace. I'm going to put the white under it so you can see. Look at that. I love the wide. I love lace closures. I cannot say enough how much I love lace closures. I love the ease of them. I love being able to just really throw something on and go. It really does make a difference. Take a look at the parting space on this. Absolutely stunning. The lace looks beautiful. This is the cat. She has two combs on the side. Okay, you get to see that closure right up close and personal. And it has a breathable, okay, cap, which we love. It's getting hot. We ain't got time. Anybody falling out, okay? It comes with an adjustable band as well as a comb in the back. And this is the latex band. This really helps kind of sit at the nape of your neck and really hold this unit on down. So let's throw her on and see what she's working with. And then we'll get into the goodies that they gave us. So admittedly, I am running the streets. Me and Joe have errands to run. So this is why I was like, you know what? You can't see, but I have on like a whole suburban wife get up today. I don't love my makeup. It's really annoying because I'm doing something different and I don't like it. So I think I got to get back to Fenty, where I belong. But this unit is really, really beautiful. Look at her. So look at the lace. Jump up on her. She is looking a little white, okay? She is looking a little white, but that's okay. Then this is my e.l.f. Halo Liquid Glow. I'm obsessed with this. So I'm just going to go in here so you guys can see the difference. Look at that. Look at that. It's gone. It's gone. She's a wizard. So yeah, so I just took my buffer brush, put a little bit of my liquid e.l.f. Halo Glow on it. Usually you should dab just to get a little bit of that excess off. And just go on through and do your... Just brush her out so you guys get the full effect of this unit. What she's working with, and then I'm gonna go on the end and wet her up. It's giving Leela James. This is her dry. I'm gonna leave her alone. I'm not gonna do too much to her. I'm just gonna wet her up because I think she deserves that. Some love, sex, and magic. Let me turn around so you guys get the full 24 inches. Look at that. This hair feels so soft. So soft. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna wet her down. So while we get this unit on together, wet her up, I'm going to use some Shea Moisture conditioner and just run it through this unit. This unit, again, is 24 inches, 180% density, and she is a T4-112 blend unit. Check out Nadula.com. She's going for just under $250. And you guys need her, okay? Big head friendly, no shedding. Well, minimal shedding, very little tangling. She's absolutely positively worth your eyes, your coins, and at least 4 payments or whatever. So I'm using the Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner from Shea Moisture. Okay, I literally only have a little bit left. And this is primarily because I almost have no mousse left. So I figured I'd try something different. Get the soft curl. This is a 6 by 4.75 unit that I'm just outdone by. Like, this unit came together so fast, so quick. I'm literally timing this on my side. I spent all of 7 minutes on this, so we're gonna figure out how to get this video to be looking like something. But this was super easy to get together. If you are a beginner-friendly wig wearer, you must. If I'm the good girlfriend that I think I am, you must get you a pre-cut Wear&Go lace wig, okay? This unit for 24 inches at 180% density. I think it's going beneath just under $250. Just about $250, under $250, okay? So, let me tell you something. Worth it. Look at the length. I got on the sweat set, y'all. I don't know what year I think I am and why I think I'm a part of 3LW. So, with this unit, Nadula Hair so graciously provided us with our little bag that came with a wig cap. We have a lace band and we did not have to use. Why? Because mother was glueless. Okay? Lashes. I didn't have to put no heat on this hair. I had my straightener come on. She just laying flat. Is it me? Is she laying flat or is it me? Like, she's laying flat. Like, she was ready to go out the pack, okay? And it's funny because I think I'm going to do, this is a makeup brush. I think I'm going to do a series on, like, my favorite Wear&Go wigs, like, from each company, just rank them. But, and at first I had a whole list running in my mind. The texture of this hair. I cannot explain enough how beautiful it is. It feels so good. Now, part of that is that I just added some leave-in conditioner to it. It feels so good, y'all. I can't stop touching it. Ooh. Come on, touch it, babe. Get in there. Touch it. We just out here, okay? This is stunning. We also received a robe, okay, from Nadula Hair. We love those. And with some wig purchases, if you purchase a certain length, like I think over 22 inches, you'll get a robe for free. So that's something to think about. We also got, yes, everything is on the floor, so no judgment. We also got our Nadula wig band, which we love. You know I love anything and everything branded down to the socks. This unit is stank. Let me turn around. Tell me if you can see my tracks in the back, sis. I might not have got all the conditioner back there, but y'all know how that go. Tell me what you think. Easy. Easy. Stank, nasty, and easy. You need this. You need a pre-cut lace wig. If I don't tell you to do anything, you need a pre-cut lace Wear&Go wig. I can't be your girlfriend if I don't tell you the truth. I can't. And we good girlfriends. Okay? Yes, my hair is hanging out on the side. I always tell y'all, be aware of this. Now, let me say this. These are my cons. The cap feels small. But wait a minute, I pulled it down, so maybe that's why. The cap does feel a tinge small because, oh, well, maybe not so much. Oh, it was the way I had it then. But still, like even this piece, I shouldn't have too much of that hanging out. And I'm not doing nothing with it. Why? Because this is a Wear&Go wig. I'm not doing nothing with it. And I usually tell y'all, oh, your hair is colored. Don't nobody want to see it. It's like wearing a bathing suit. Don't nobody want to see your little pubes hanging out the side. Girl, live your life. Do your thing. Throw mother on the go. Because if you have resorted to this kind of wig, you the type of girl that got stuff to do. You're busy, okay? You ain't got time to be laying, sliding, doing all the things, dipping and doing. You need to throw her on and she act right. So I'm here with you, baby. I'm throwing her on to act right because me and my husband got to go and figure out why his Beats headphones ain't working. Stunning. She didn't tangle. She shed a little bit, but that's okay. She's curly hair. She's curly hair, so, you know, we expect a little. Look how beautiful. Girl, good night. 7 minutes. It might be 10 by this time, but That's because I'm chatting you up. I got you on the line, so I might as well chat you up, right? If you have not already, do yourself a favor. Bust down, subscribe to this channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye!